Hey, hello guys, this is Srinivas Developer from the Developer channel. Today we are going to solve the SKIDMARK daily challenge of September 5, 2021. Here this is the problem, nth term double jumbo sequence. So in this problem, they have used something literally like Fibonacci series, but with some alternation. Like in Fibonacci series, we were doing things like f of n is equal to f of n minus 1 plus f of n minus 2, right? So they have used the same logic but with little modification. So they have multiplied the n minus 1 with 1 and multiplied n minus 2 by 2 and they have added 3. So likewise we have to implement the formula and we just need to generate the respective numbers. So let's solve this in a programmatical way. So since this is a teacher day, I'm gonna thank two of my heroes related to the programmatical word. So they have taught me about one-liners, recursive functions, and all. So first, I'm going to solve the problem using recursive. Def, what they have used as a name. Yes, that's it. I'm gonna took series of n if n is smaller than 3. So they have mentioned the formula for k greater than 2, right? So I'm going to return n minus 1 for n is smaller than 3, or else return series of n minus 1 into 1. We don't need to do that, right? 2 into series of n minus 2 plus 3. So finally print series of n. So if I save and run this program, we will get n is not defined because in this place we just need to get the input, right? Int of input. So here I'm passing the input, which is nothing but 1, we got 0, 2, we got 1, and for 3 we got 9, and for the value 11 we got 1364, which is nothing but a respective output. So this is for one hero and the one-liner hero. So I'm going to make the one-liner here. Series equal to lambda n is to n minus 1 if n is smaller than 3, else series of n minus 1 plus 2 into, I'm just using the same logic but in a different format, so you can able to understand how we can make a one-liner, right? N minus 2, actually this should be series of n minus 2 plus 3. Finally print series of int of input. So let me comment this one. Here I'm passing the value 11. Now we got 1364, and for the minimum value 1 we are getting 0, which is nothing but the respective output, right? So this is, let me crack the thing without using a recursive or one-liner, just a simple loop or using simple list. N equal to int of input and inside this list I'm going to take a name of series equal to an empty list with the value 0 and 1, which is predefined or which they have allocated as a default value. So for I in range of n minus 2, since we have already found the two values, we just need to skip, or we can skip the two iterations, right? So n minus 2, and inside this loop we just need to update the series dot append of the formula n series of n minus 1 or just minus 1 plus 2 into series of n minus 2 or just minus 2 plus 3. Finally print series of n minus 1. The reason why we are printing n minus 1 instead of minus 1, if they have specified the input as 1, we will print the value which is in the last index 1, and if they have given the n value as 2, we will print the same one, right? So to get rid of that, we are using n minus 1. So for the value 11, we are getting something SCRIES, but I'm using SCREAS. For the value 11, we are still getting something. Yeah, this should be a square bracket. 1364, and for the value 1 we are getting 0. So that's it, guys. That's it for today's video. You can use either one of these. So see you soon with something else tomorrow. Until then, bye.